Good day, fellow South Africans and citizens of the world. And you know what I find so fascinating is that there is a huge disconnect between the black African population in South Africa who are recipients of black privilege and the rest of the black African population who still live in townships and are probably living in worse conditions now than they were pre-1994. And I think a lot of people I'm talking about will agree with me. And that's because of the corruption and the incompetence and policies like BEE and BBBEE, which just are there to kind of empower and black privilege the well-connected. So what are we talking about here? Well, if you're a member of the elite in South Africa, you can use the white man's court system, can't you, to get your way? You know, that's one of the legacies of the pre-1994 era, is the legal system that has now been used by the cadres who've got the money to do something with it. Former cabinet minister and prominent ANC member Derek Hanekom is taking former president Jacob Zuma to court to the tune of R500,000 for defamation. This follows a tweet on the 25th of July in which Zuma referred to Hanekom as a known enemy agent. The tweet came after EFF leader Julius Malema alleged that Hanekom conspired with the party to oust Zuma via a motion of no confidence in the National Assembly. Hanekom served in Zuma's cabinet in various positions, the last being tourism minister, despite him being outspoken against the former president and openly voicing concerns over state capture. Now, this guy was a tourism minister? There's something very, very wrong in the state of South Africa. On Monday, former President Jacob Zuma, who is appearing before the State Capture Commission of Inquiry for the first time, named Ngoako Ramalodi as a spy who was recruited in Lesotho. According to court papers, the defamation case is set for August the 21st. Zuma will then have to provide evidence for his accusations. Hanekom reportedly argued that the accusations made on Zuma's official Twitter account has caused immense harm and damage to his reputation, and this harm would continue as long as this statement remained unpublished without censure. Hanekom said that Zuma's tweet insinuated that he was part of a plan hatched by the apartheid government and foreign intelligence agencies to remove Zuma as president. Hanekom also reportedly wants a court to order Zuma to delete the tweet and then to unconditionally withdraw his spy claim, acknowledge that it was entirely false, and to apologize. He further wants Zuma to be interdicted from publishing any statement that says or implies that he is or was an enemy agent or apartheid spy. Hanekom also wants a court to order Zuma to tweet, "This is what he's got to say, Zuma. This is what you got to say if you lose this case, buddy boy. On 25th of July 2019, I published a tweet which alleges that Mr. Derek Hanekom is a known enemy agent. I unconditionally withdraw this allegation and apologize for making it as it is entirely false. I have no basis whatsoever for asserting that Mr. Hanekom is a known enemy agent." Wow. Can you imagine Zuma having to do that? That's something we got to watch. The defamation suit adds to Zuma's legal woes. In December, the North Gauteng High Court in Pretoria ordered that he would have to pay his own legal costs, which were incurred in his personal capacity in criminal cases instituted against him. Among other things, he waved around a piece of paper and said he had a list of names of presumably ANC leaders who worked as apartheid and American spies. He also named Ngwaki Ramatlodi, the former Minister of Mineral Resources, Zuma fired and replaced with Mosebenzi Zwane as an apartheid spy recruited in Lesotho. Now, wasn't that the guy, that new Minister of Mines, wasn't he the guy who was tied up with state capture, who had absolutely no understanding of the mining industry? Rather like the video I put up yesterday where someone told me that a cleaning lady in one of the police stations was put in as a colonel when she didn't even know what the heck she was doing. Welcome to the state of South Africa. Zuma told the commission, "I have been provoked, and all I wanted to do was save the ANC and the country." All he wanted to do was to clean out the trough, take it all for himself, and Kanjla style. Ramatlodi immediately challenged Zuma to take a lie detector test. It will not go uncontested. He must prove it if he is alleging. He must prove it. I have never been a spy anywhere. And what I'm going to attach here is an image of the court action that's been lodged by Derek Hanekom against Jacob Zuma. That's a strange middle name, but anyway, it's rather like the man. All right, guys, please remember to subscribe to be kept informed. Ring the bell for the updates. Please like this video and have a safe day. Bye for now.